Lovely friends, I'm so happy you're here. Today we're going to create a simple and cute drawing together. Are you ready? Let's get our colors ready first. Yellow, pink, orange, black. Great job! Now that our colors are ready, grab your brushes and let's start painting together.
3, 2, 1!
Every line and every color will make a happy, colorful world. Let's begin the story of our drawing together. Like and subscribe. Good vibes are even stronger with you. Give a like and share happiness with us. Great job, friends. If you liked this one, you'll love the next drawing too. See you there.
Wow!